cracking your knuckles causes arthritis. Have you ever been told to stop cracking your knuckles because it would give you arthritis? Millions of people have heard this warning, but scientific research has found no evidence that cracking your knuckles causes arthritis. The popping sound comes from tiny gas bubbles inside the fluid surrounding your joints. When those bubbles suddenly burst, they create the familiar cracking noise. Doctors agree that while cracking your knuckles too often might annoy the people around you, it doesn't appear to increase your risk of developing arthritis. So the next time someone tells you to stop because your hands will be damaged forever, you can confidently tell them that science says otherwise.